Hi guys, we're on a trail in Kelso Park and look, there's a biker right there. There's a biker. And look. Look at those trees. There are a lot of trees right there. Looks like a forest. Oh my, you do not want to look down.
Ooh, these are our feet hanging. Oops, why did it stop? Oh my god, why did it stop? Why are we hanging? Why are we hanging?
Is it gonna fall down or something?
No, don't worry. Everything is good. Don't worry. We're good.
Look, there's some people walking.
I see a husky, you know. No. So what is it? Strong wind comes from, you know? Strong wind or rain.
Don't move your legs, please. Who's moving the legs? Harun, stop it. I'm scared.